Christian family in Odisha under threats forced to renounce faith. Hindu extremists coerce family to desecrate Bible. Extremists threaten couple with death if they refuse to comply. We bring you a disturbing report of religious persecution in Odisha, where a Christian family was forced to renounce their faith under grave threats. The assailants reportedly demanded that the family desecrate their sacred scripture, the Bible, under duress. December 15, 2024, in a small village in Odisha, a Christian family faced horrifying coercion from extremist groups. The family was reportedly threatened with death if they refused to comply with demands to abandon their faith. The assailants forced them to desecrate their holy book, the Bible, a chilling act of intimidation aimed at forcing their reconversion to Hinduism. According to the United Christian Forum, 2024 has seen 745 reported cases of violence against Christians across India, an alarming increase from 731 cases in 2023. Odisha, in particular, has witnessed a surge in religiously motivated attacks, exacerbated by political shifts and rising intolerance. The growing violence against religious minorities in Odisha highlights a critical need for action to safeguard constitutional rights. International human rights organizations are now calling for accountability and measures to address the rising tide of intolerance. For now, this is Caas News, bringing you stories that matter.
Thank you for watching. Now please share this video to your close friend, subscribe to our channel and get every update instantly.